are doing the haul video from the brand called New Me, and New Me is a budding brand which is going so trending nowadays, and they are mainly focusing on Gen Z kind of outfits and styling. I got few pieces from New Me and let's review and do the haul video together. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanishika. Let's talk about the first top that I got from New Me, which is this metallic fox leather top that costed me $759 and मैंने यहाँ पे XS size में लिया है. This top, you can see the color. It is such a great and you know that rich color. मेरे को तो ये टॉप देख के लगा था बहुत ज़्यादा rich है, बहुत ज़्यादा vibrant है, and I love this whole metallic golden वाला look. The fit is so perfect and it is basically like a tube top off shoulder properly, but मेरे को ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे से fit आ गया, and they have this sweetheart neckline. Moving on to the next one is a bodysuit, which is a reflective bodysuit that costed me $839 and यहाँ पे मैंने XXS साइज में लिया है. दिस बॉडी सूट इज अ रिफ्लेक्टिव. आप ये स्ट्राइप्स देख रहे हो दैट रिफ्लेक्ट्स व्हेन यू आर इन डार्क, एंड दिस इज सच अ ग्रेट वन. मेरे को ये काफ़ी अच्छे से फिट आया है, एंड इट्स अ कट आउट बॉडी सूट, सो दे हैव द लॉन्ग कट्स ऑन बोथ साइड. सो वेन एवर आई एम वेयरिंग इट विद अ स्कर्ट और अ पैंट और एनीथिंग, इट इज showing that side cut out, which is also very nice. अगर आपको ज़्यादा fitted नहीं चाहिए, then I would say go for a one size bigger. Next up is this back open crop top that costed me $839 and यहाँ पे मैंने size XS में लिया है. This top is so much trending in so many wear, and currently I'm obsessed with the backless top. I don't know which are more comfortable one. So this backless top is such amazing. It has boat neck, closed neck, तो सामने से it is so protected, and पीछे से if you see the whole backless, it is like amazing. You can see how amazing the top looks from the front and also from the back. And if you wear something like low back bra, you don't have to go for nipple pasties or adhesive bra, because the top is designed such a way that you can wear your low back bra also. Also the quality is jersey quality, so you don't feel uncomfortable with this top, and it is very much stretchable. Moving on to the next top which I have, which is this full sleeve t-shirt which costed me $689. यहाँ पे size XXS में लिया है. Now बहुत time से these kind of fitted full sleeve top, or I would say suspender tops, are going viral. Whenever you're going to a gym or you're working out, we often see people wearing these kind of suspender tops or fitted tops which are very much fitted. Whenever you're working out doing muscles like back or shoulder or bicep or tricep, it helps to pump and it looks good when you are wearing suspenders tops or fitted tops like this. The quality is jersey material and also like very much stretchable, so it fits perfectly. It is very tight fitted, I would say, and this is a good one. I was searching for something like that, like this tight fitted for my gym wear and gym workout, because it helps me to work out pretty well when I'm wearing something tight, because I can even flex. So this is a perfect one if you're looking for something like tight fitted or something like suspender tops. Also you can find variety colors on this one. I bought this in black because I wanted to have something very neutral which I can wear with like everything, which goes with everything, but you can go for many other colors. They have different colors like brown, white, grey, blue, light beige color, and a lot. Moving on to the next top is this hem tube top that costed me $649 and size XS में लिया है. This is such a great one. It is a tube top as a structure, and आपको ये ऊपर से ही पहनना पड़ेगा, but they have the side chain which is creating this hem look, and the chains are, you can legit adjust. If you want to open it all, you can open. If you want to half open and half close, you can do that. You want to really like fully close, you can do that also. These kind of milky white suits really well on my skin tone, so I love the whole top. And also talking about the quality wise, it's such a good one, because it's why the main concern was the transparency, and this top is such a good quality because the transparency was top notch. Moving on to something bottom, which is a Scots. This Scot costed me $839 and size यहाँ पे मैंने S में लिया है. There were other options too, like in purple, black, white, red, brown, but I wanted to have this black one because again it's a neutral color and goes with everything. Squats was going so viral, like everyone is wearing squats. They are not wearing shorts, they are not wearing skirts, they are wearing squats, which is a mixture of skirts and shorts. This one fits so perfectly well. पीछे से you can see it's a short. सामने से they have this beautiful flare which is giving me a skirt vibe. Side में they have a chain to wear this and it is such a comfortable one. If you're somebody who wants to wear skirts and feel uncomfortable while working and doing some high activities, you can go for all these kind of skirts. And there's so many colors available, you can go for any color. Moving on to another bottom, which is this wide leg trouser that costed me 1669 and size यहाँ पे मैंने 30 में लिया है. This was only one color that was available. This color is such a unique color, I would say, because it's a brick ब्राउन कलर. मुझे ये कलर तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूनिक लगा, ऐसा कलर भी मेरे पास नहीं था. इट्स अ डीप वाइड लेग्स ट्राउजर एंड बहुत ज़्यादा ये लेंथ में भी बड़ा था बिकॉज मैंने जब ये पहना फिट में वेस्ट में इट फिटेड मी परफेक्टली एंड द फ्लेयर वॉज परफेक्ट बट the length wise it is very long for my height. I have to trim it from the lower, कुछ कर नहीं सकते. And I love the design, how the pattern goes straight and got cut out, making it more wider. Next up and the last one from the lot is this one, which is a metallic camisole top that costed me 549 and size मैंने यहाँ पे S में लिया है. This top I bought this for a very particular reason. I wanted to do a Hira Mandi shoot and मुझे थोड़ा सा कुछ ethnic वाला चाहिए था and I found this top. You can see how amazing this looks. The pattern of the top, the whole look, it is giving me that bright ethnic look as if I'm going for a wedding or something. like कोई घाघरा चोली का ब्लाउज सेट है ऐसा लग रहा है. बहुत ही सुंदर वाला ये डिज़ाइन है. You can literally style this in ethnic way and also in western way as well. This is such a versatile one. I love the design. It has that golden stripes, metallic stripes, which is giving me that shiny look also. And the best part is it is padded. You don't have to wear any bra or adhesive tapes because it is padded, which is like amazing. And side में chain भी है so that you can adjust. I honestly loved it. So that's it guys, that's the end of today's video. I have linked all the products in the description. Make sure you check that out. And also while purchasing anything from Yumi, use my code which is on the screen and also on the description, which is BANHI BANHI 100 and you will get discount on every order that you purchase from Yumi. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay fashionable.